Jack. Jack, happy birthday. Let's get a close up of it. Hey, Julie.
What's going on here? We've got pandemonium. We've got Jack. Oh. Jack.
We're having problems.
Whoa. Whoa. People are not working so well with this program here. Where's Jack?
Julie. Can we sit? Happy birthday to Jack. Happy birthday to Jack.
Happy birthday to Jack. Happy birthday to Jack.
Okay. Oops, it's backwards. Alright. Happy birthday
To Jack. Happy birthday to Jack. Happy birthday to Jack.
Happy birthday
To Jack.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday cake, Jack. It's your birthday cake. Good girl. Good girl. Julie, say happy birthday to Jack. Happy birthday to Jack. It's a family birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jack. Happy